Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the Hilux details, engine, turbo or NA, and any factory ECU limits because the approach depends on hardware. Once done, make sure you review local emissions and noise regulations so you stay legal. Next, put on safety gear and document baseline performance with OBD logs and sound recordings. This gives you a safe reference. Finally, contact a qualified diesel/turbo technician to discuss desired result. Do not attempt risky changes alone. Once you have baseline data, focus on reversible safe paths. Evaluate ECU tune choices and whether a controlled remap can achieve audible character without harm. Make sure the turbo, wastegate, and intake plumbing are inspected for leaks and correct actuator operation, because faults often create unintended noises. If you proceed, prioritize bolt-on, reversible hardware, and conservative mapping. This reduces risk. And make sure a pro can restore original tuning quickly if results are undesirable. Finish by testing incrementally. Small drives under supervision while monitoring boost, engine temp, and AFR, because gradual verification prevents damage. Make sure the original ECU image is backed up and any parts you change are removable so you can revert quickly. If you experience pinging, reduced power, rising temps, or error codes, stop immediately and revert to stock plus contact a certified technician. This troubleshooting step prevents costly failures and keeps you street legal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.